In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up your Substack profile. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional-looking profile that helps readers understand who you are and what your publication is about. First, open your web browser and go to substack.com. If you already have an account, make sure you're signed in. If you're not logged in, you'll see options to sign in or create an account. Go ahead and log in with your usual details so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll land on your Substack home area where you can see your posts, stats, and settings. Now look over to the left-hand side of the screen. Substack has a navigation menu there with options like Home, Posts, and Settings. In that left-hand menu, find and click on Profile. This is the section where Substack keeps all your personal and public-facing information. Clicking Profile will open a page that shows how you currently appear to your subscribers and potential readers. On the profile page, you'll see some basic information such as your name, possibly a profile picture, and a short bio if you've ever added one before. To make changes, look for the button or link that says Edit Profile. It's usually near the top of the page, close to your name or picture. Click Edit Profile to open the editing view. This is where you can safely make changes and preview them before they go live. With the edit view open, you can now set up your profile properly. Start with your display name. This is the name people will see when they receive your emails or visit your publication. Use the name you want to be known by professionally or creatively. Right below that, you'll usually find a space to upload a profile photo. Choose a clear image that represents you well. It doesn't have to be formal, but it should look intentional and not blurry or poorly cropped. Next, look for the bio or description field. This short paragraph is one of the most important parts of your profile. Use it to briefly explain who you are and what your Substack is about. Keep it concise but specific. For example, you might mention the topics you cover, how often you publish, and who your writing is for. Aim for something that a new visitor can read in a few seconds and immediately understand why they might want to subscribe. Depending on your Substack settings, you may also see fields for links such as a personal website or social media profiles. Add only the links that are relevant and that you're comfortable sharing publicly. This can help readers connect with you in other places, but try not to overload your profile with too many links. As you update each section, take a moment to double check spelling, grammar, and any personal details you're including. Remember, your profile is often the first impression someone gets when deciding whether to subscribe. When everything looks good, scroll down and click the button to save or update your profile. After saving, view your profile as if you were a new reader and make sure everything is clear, accurate, and visually consistent. That's it. You've gone from the Substack homepage into your profile area, edited your details, and fully set up your Substack profile so it's ready to share with your audience.